Good morning, everyone. So, today's breakfast is blackcurrant and apple flavor smoothie. So, ito yung maging breakfast natin today. It's the second day. And, yun nga, breakfast. Second day for our liquid diet. 21 days challenge. This is our breakfast. Good. Tasty. Ito nyo siya, guys. Meron siyang ganyan. Hi guys! So natapos ko na yung aking second day ng liquid diet namin. So ngayon, I am going to go out because I need to walk the dog para doon na siya mag-poop sa mga grass doon sa labas. So first time na yung magkaroon ng aso. First time ko sa buong buhay ko na magkaroon ng aso. Kaya hindi ko alam kung yung nararamdaman ko. Pero kawawa naman yung aso. But ayaw ko kasing mag-alaga talaga ng aso. Pero ngayon parang nakukita na ako sa kanya. And ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung aso namin. Meron kaming Labrador na 10 weeks. So ito po yung aso namin. Labrador. Titan. 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 Titan, let's go home. Let's go. Alright, enough. So, ayan guys. Pakakainin muna natin si Titan. Naka-ready na po yung pagkain niya. Sabihin natin. Titan, your food! Oh, you're so excited! Oy. Ayan po. Bye, Titan. See you later. Okay, guys. Medyo pinawisan na ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mararamdaman ko dahil first time ko talagang magkaroon ng aso buong buhay ko. And kasi yung family namin hindi talaga maano sa pet. We like to see them, parang gusto lang namin silang tingnan. Pero ayaw namin magkaroon talaga ng pet sa loob ng bahay. But now it's different dahil si Asoka, he's a dog lover, sobrang dog lover. And gusto niya yung anak namin na magiging dog lover din. Although ako dog lover naman, pero ayaw ko lang talaga yung responsibility na gagawin para sa aso everyday dahil sobrang dami ko nang ginagawa and then ngayon meron pang aso but it's okay kasi parang ano na siya sa amin mga 3 weeks na napamahal na din talaga ako, ganun pala yung feeling and ayun, okay na din kasi kailangan ko siyang ilabas para doon na siya magdumi sa labas and then kailangan ko siyang i-feed, kailangan ko siyang i-walk, kailangan ko siyang magtakbo-takbo, ko yung exercise na din. So, kahit pa paano, maglulus tayo ng weight ng ng sigurado dahil nagli-liquid diet and then meron pang mga exercise. Ito yung additional exercise ko sa umaga. Anyway, tayo ay magkakape. Let's go. Ayan, ito po ang aking coffee machine. I have two. I have the long hair and the long hair again. This one, kung gusto mo yung mag-barista, feel mo lang. So, ito yung gagawin mo. Ito yung gamitin mo. Pero pag ito naman ay easy lang, nagmamadali ka. So, ito yung gamitin natin. So, today I will going to make an espresso para bongga yung kick. At tayo maglaro ng badminton ng sobrang light lang. It's because I think I have an injury. So, it's just a mild injury, yung plantar. So, sumakit siya. That means, mabigat talaga tayo. So, anyway, I need to talagang magbawas talaga ng timbang. And hopefully, yung babae na nagbenta ng Cambridge weight plan is pupunta dito sa Saturday. Kasi yung current weight ko ngayon is actually 61 kilo. Oh my God! Napakabigat. And I'm only 5 flat, kaya sobrang bigat para sa akin. para sa height ko. Anyway, now, gagawa ako ng coffee and then I am going to take shower and then magre-ready na for badminton. And then, ayun, i-prepare ko lang lahat kung anong kailangan ni baby boy, ni Tyrese. Magluto ko ng kanin at nakapagluto din ako ng ulam for him. So, yun na lang. At meron din akong mga nalabhan. So, go guys! See you! Now, let's make our coffee. Nag-heat up pa yan siya. So, we are now ready. And this is our... So, guys, ito po yung espresso natin. So, ganito lang siya. Normally, 2 shots yung iniinom ko, but this time, isa-isahin ko na lang muna kasi para hindi ako maboring the whole day later after maglaro ako ng badminton. So, para kasing itong pang chill-chill ko kasi itong coffee, kaya normally, pag walang ganito diet, pero I think for the longest time, I think I've tried this diet 7 years ago. So in 1 week naglose ako ng siguro mga 5 kilo. So that was 7 years ago. So we'll see this time. Today is the 2nd day and cheers. Espresso. Kasi pwede kaming magkape pero no sugar, no milk. So black coffee lang talaga. So you can have coffee kung ilang baso yung gusto mo sa isang araw, but of course hindi din maganda na sobrahan, no. So espresso lang, ganito kaliit yung baso, and then 2 shots lang ako every day. So pero yung 1 shot in the morning and 1 shot in the afternoon. So yan. Cheers guys, see you. Hi guys, so ngayon dito ako sa badminton na naglalaro. So medyo gutom na, nagutom ako kasi grabe yung energy na ginagamit natin. But I have this one, I'm bringing this one. So medyo nagutom ako kasi napakainit dito at saka grabe yung energy na ginagamit. So drink. Shake muna natin. Sobrang taba. Hindi tayo ng half muna. Hi everyone. So it's 3:16 p.m. and I'm a little bit hungry. So I am going to have my snack, simple snack. So orange and ginger bites, and actually Tyrese can eat this one. You want some? See chocolate here? Come, take some. Take one, Tyrese. Come. Just eat slowly and bit by bit. Okay? One only. Right. Okay. Slowly. Nice. Yummy. Mommy will eat too. Okay. And we're preparing. We are going to the gym at 4 p.m. Coffee is lang. Take kape. Para. Buka. Dalawa da. Buka. One only lang. Diba? Like very healthy, super duper healthy. Milo? Puro ning dayitang lami. Silan. Data more. See you in the gym later. Hi. So we are here in the gym. Pasoka is there. Jeanette is there. Hello. Oh. Odell. You're so good. Woohoo! Wow. Guys, this is very interesting kasi makikita nyo talaga yung difference nito. Sobra. Ay, marami kami ngayon. Guys, grabe yung pawis. Sobra. So now we're going to do the burpees.
Look at you lah. Oh.
Come, let's go. go, go, go! Couple goal. Sana all. Yoo-hoo! Good job! Wow. Hi guys. So, need to lose this one. Actually, ganyan siya. Malaki talaga. As in, ito oh. And dito kami kasi magsasauna and steam and tingnan natin yung katawan natin after 1 week, 21 days. After sauna. Hi guys. Just after sauna for 15 minutes. And then, Nana, is it 60 ha? They put 60. The heat.
40 something.
No, 60 lah. They'll say just now, that's why it's very hot. 60 degree. It's crazy hot. So, I think I'm done already. And it's draining me na sobrang pagod na pagod ako. So, grabe yung workout namin from morning. I played badminton. And then for shakes, liquid diet. But it's all good. I feel good, so okay. Yung tiyan lang ang sobrang laki. But I'm looking forward to go back home and eat the chili con carne with 2 hard-boiled eggs. Ingat kayo dyan. Mga kaibigan, sana po ay okay kayo at stay healthy. Bye guys. Ayan, tapos na kami dito sa gym. And they're here. So ngayon ay pupunta kami doon sa suite ng GM dito. And this is the wife, super pretty.
Is the empty door. Hey.
Love, look at the kitchen. It's nice also.
What a view will be.
So I ripped up all the timber floor, the parquet floor, and then they just relaid some concrete to flatten it all. Then I'm putting this.
Okay.
So just to give you a sense of it.
Nice. That's really nice.
Yeah, you cannot cover it. It's so wall. All the light comes to this side and comes to this same over the wall.
Yan. Magkape daw muna kami before kami uuwi. Coffee, Nana, you okay? Good? Dai, okay? Love. Hi guys, so I am here in my kitchen right now. And ngayon, ang aking dinner is Oriental chili flavored soup. So, after manood namin ng mga friends namin na kumakain kanina, so medyo nagutom talaga ako ng time na yun, but kailangan natin na very strong yung mind natin para mag-succeed. Ayun. So here, hot water. Kung baga, sabaw lang talaga siya. And then, I have hard-boiled egg. Ilalagay ko dito mamaya. Yes, guys, I'm very, very fat. Kaya nga talagang gagawin namin to. Hindi namin dito try, but we will do it. Hard-boiled egg. Medyo gutom na. And yan, pag makain mo na to, inom ka ng maraming tubig. Yan, mag-ano ka na lang sa bed mamaya. Mag-relax. Kasi we work so hard. I've been working out so hard. So, twice. Actually guys, malaki ako kasi. Oh, ayan. But you will see soon. Ano magiging resulta? Because I am 61 kilo nung nag-start ako. So now, I will be siguro 5 kilo down, hopefully. So, the weigh-in will be this coming Saturday. Alright. Yet to try. Alright, here we go. Better than the chili con carne. I like this. Better than the other one. Parang mushroom soup lang. Good night, everyone. Our egg. Night. This is really tasty, ah.